Give us a minute. I'm gonna start this vlog. Be there with you in a minute. Alright. Just like gone on YouTube, to give your brain some new food. Because we channel that if you watch, if you subscribe, we're gonna like that.
Hello people! Welcome to another vlog.
Yeah. Today's vlog, if y'all can tell by the title,
yes,
it's gonna be, you know, what Jamaicans call simple something.
Cabbage and cabbage.
Yes. So, with this side, it's simple food for Jamaicans, you know, or we call 5 minute, 10 minute food.
Yeah.
Call it 5 minute, 10 minute food, even though it doesn't take 5 or 10 minutes.
No.
You know, so.
It's a quick thing.
But it's a quick thing, you know. Today, I'm going to be doing corned beef and cabbage and white rice, Jamaican style.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, Wife for Life is going to be doing
My little presentation thing, you know, like apero, finger food, kind of decorative, because we have a guest.
Yeah, finger food platter for tomorrow. So our guest will, you know, we'll leave it to be a surprising factor.
Yeah, just have to wait and see.
He or she could be a celebrity.
Exactly, you know. Yeah, so actually we're going to the supermarket now. We was at the supermarket the other day and we spotted some corned beef.
Yes, so
and
that's what actually...
Yeah.
That's what actually inspired this vlog.
This vlog, yeah, because those things are hard to come by in Switzerland, and when you see it, you gotta buy it.
Wife for Life was going through the supermarket and she said, look, corned beef. And seeing corned beef here in Switzerland is like finding an oasis in the desert. You know, so we just thought, listen, before they disappear off the shelf,
let's go and buy some.
Let's go and buy some. And while we're at it, we'll just show you how we throw down.
Yes,
you know, it's nothing, in our view, it's nothing spectacular.
No, it's not. It's
no,
not,
but it's something.
It's food that we miss.
Exactly.
You know, that we love.
Exactly.
And,
something that we miss.
You know, so your parents used to make, well, I don't know about any
other
Jamaican
culture. Jamaican parents. If you're Jamaican or you grew up with Jamaican parents, corned beef and cabbage is one of those.
Yeah, and you said corned beef and dumpling.
Yes, you know, corned beef and dumpling with some banana, but you know, you don't want to get too, you know, see, I'm me drooling.
Salivated.
Exactly, you know.
So sometimes you have to go to take those little trips to England, and you know, they have like Jamaican food in the markets there, in the Bullring Market, if you know the Bullring Market, you know, you can get your yam and your ackee and, and everything there, so.
Well, it is an expensive trip, you know. You know, I was actually watching a program and they were saying the most expensive food or the most expensive haircuts. And this dude, you know, he flown from somewhere in India all the way to England to get a haircut. The haircut actually costs $30.
Really?
But 30 pounds.
Okay.
But
the
flight, because it was private jet, you know, another 15,000. So it was considered the most expensive haircut. So us having ackee and saltfish in Switzerland would be the most expensive ackee and saltfish.
Exactly, it's true, yeah, because you know your airfare and then you know you're buying it. Well, the thing is, right, with ackee, because this is when we because when we lived in Jamaica, I experienced fresh ackee in my life.
No tin.
I can't go back to tin. But it's what we have to do with.
You know.
With now.
Yeah,
you know,
when you're in Jamaica,
England, you know, tin.
You know, if you experience fresh ackee off the tree, and cooked, you will just resent tin ackee for the rest of your life.
I just couldn't believe it.
Anyway, we're gonna take you to the supermarket. The supermarket thing is gonna be a quick thing. You know, we're just gonna pick up some things and
then run out.
And then run back in.
Yeah.
Corned beef, check. Cabbage, done.
We're back!
Yeah, and as you can see, I'm all in my apron.
He's the chef today.
Yes.
He's getting ready.
Yes. So, Wife for Life gonna feature me, and I'm gonna show y'all how we prepare corned beef and cabbage. So Wife for Life will be behind the camera and I'll take you guys along.
This pretty face is gonna go, sorry.
Yeah, you know, you're just gonna be graced with just this one, you know. Okay, first things first, we went to the supermarket, and even though we went just for cabbage and corned beef, we kind of ended up with all of this. You know? Some of it is for tomorrow. So this is pretty much my main ingredient: cabbage, corned beef.
Yeah.
So with my cabbage and corned beef, I got some oil. I'm going to use this oil.
Okay.
That Wife for Life had left over.
Yeah.
It says Bacardi, but it's not Bacardi.
I wish it was.
What is it? Vegetable oil or?
Vegetable oil.
It's vegetable oil. So we got vegetable oil. My next main ingredient.
Rice.
Some rice. And I'm gonna need a few onions.
We got red onions.
Yeah.
I quite like red onions.
So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna cut up my cabbage.
Okay.
And I'm gonna wash my rice. So let me do that in reverse. Wash the rice first and get it ready.
Okay.
So for my rice, yeah, this is not the kind of rice that I grew up on. This is parboiled rice. I'm gonna wash my rice. And I'll wash this maybe about 2 or 3 times just to get all the artificial stuff off it as much as possible. I do it a few times until the water doesn't look so milky.
There you go.
This is like my 4th wash, and as you can see, it looks more clear.
Yeah.
You know, more transparent. I have a trick that I usually do because it's parboiled rice. If I'm in a hurry, what I tend to do is I pre-boil the water in the kettle and put it in the rice and put it on the stove, and it cooks faster. Now, I cook like a proper Jamaican. I don't really use a lot of measurement, you know. It's just, you just kind of know how much water you need. You just kind of know how much salt you need. And that's how I cook. Same for my salt. I just know how much salt. So I don't do the 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons.
Oh no.
You know, I just
some things you just don't have to do that with.
Yeah. With the cabbage, it's very simple because all I need is my cutting board, the cabbage, and something to put the cabbage in after I finish chopping it. So, find a knife that I'm happy with, cut up my cabbage. I'm not sure if I'm going to use the whole thing. It depends on how much cabbage I get out of it when I cut up half.
Right.
You know. So, I already made a bad cut. That's definitely not half and half. But if this is enough, then Wife for Life can do something with that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's the cabbage, the 3/4 cabbage. I call it 3/4 because, but you know, remember that all this is gonna shrink.
Yeah.
So what do you think? This is good enough?
That's good enough.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Now for this onion, I'm gonna cut it up. My Wife for Life taught me a trick, so I'll show it to you guys. This is how you shred onion. Voila! Just like that, we've got shredded onions. Put my shredded onions here. And yeah, just need to get my other pot now, and that's it. Okay. Washing my cabbage and get it ready. Okay, so in an attempt to save all of my cabbage, I use Wife for Life kitchen tool. So my cabbage is in, and because these cabbage don't really behave the way that I'm used to Caribbean cabbage behaving, I have a little trick to get them jump start. When I say that, what I mean is like Caribbean cabbage from Jamaica, you just chop it up, put it in the pot and cover it up over a light heat, and it produces its own water. And that's pretty much to it. But with these supermarket cabbage here, I realized that I have to add some water to it. So this is actually hot water. So I put only maybe about half a cup. And I cover it down and on a slow heat, and it does its thing. This is some salt. Again, sporadic salt. But in order for me to get this baby going, I have to actually turn the stove on. So, stove it on and cover it up.
Cover it up.
Now we wait. I hear my cabbage water boiling, so what I'm gonna do here is put some oil in. Again, no real measurement. That should be sufficient. And I just cover it up and leave that for a few minutes. Yeah, man. Boy can cook, you see that? It's my rice almost done. Moving on over. Cabbage. Whoa! Let me clear this up. Clear that up. That's my cabbage there. Yeah, doing its thing. Have to keep the kitchen clean and thing, you know? You realize you were filming. Okay, taste test time.
Okay.
Ooh, check out the bubbling. Check out the bubbling.
Yeah. It's bubbling hot.
Yeah.
Hot.
Got a lot of water in there, but we can decrease that in a minute.
Yeah.
So, taste test.
What does the chef think?
Nice. Have a little sweetish taste. Yeah. Have a little sweetish. Okay. Not a second opinion, but more of a confirmation.
An expert opinion?
Yes. Yeah.
Quite nice.
Yeah?
Can you be an 8 out of 10?
Yeah, you give me a 10 out of 10 when it's finished. So, I may need the water again. So I'm not putting it too far, I'm not throwing it away. So what I'm going to do now is going to get the corned beef ready with the onion, and then put some black pepper to it.
Yeah.
Maybe a little extra pepper. Wife of life don't really like a lot of pepper still, you know, but she always eat my food. So let me get that.
Because I have to.
So while we're in the supermarket, I didn't realize the key was on top. I'm so used to corned beef in Jamaica where the key's on the side.
Yeah.
So that's that.
Yeah, and he told me, to run back.
Because I was already cashing the stuff.
Yeah.
So man,
You're gonna have to run back.
My little helper, you know. So opening a corned beef with a key. How to open a corned beef with the key.
Yes.
Simple things. Learn from down the yard.
I used to struggle with that when I was younger.
You know, until you meet the general.
And then Mum had to use, remember those
can openers.
Those 50p can openers.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then I had to cut up my hand with that.
There you go.
Yay! One go.
I'm a professional, you know.
Squeeze it, squeeze it.
Squeeze it. Knock it off.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Oh, I could do it with some hard-dough bread right now.
All I have to do now is just crush down the thing. Yeah, I know you're tempted, you know. Yeah, I can hear your saliva crowding your mouth. You know?
Just save me a little piece so I can put it in between two bread.
If I don't give you a piece, that's not the Jamaican way. The Jamaican way is you have to taste it, you know? So. Yeah, man. We need
Hold on, let me get some bread. Let me get some bread, man. How long has it been since we had corned beef?
Been a minute.
Oh, corned beef sandwiches.
But at the same time.
Yeah.
Okay. At the same time, we need some for my cabbage.
That's enough, I think.
Okay, I need a bite of it, you know, so.
Oh, you want some too?
Just fold it and hurry up so I can get over the cooking.
Me first. Mmm.
Chumban, Andrew Zimmerman got nothing on this. I have to do an Andrew Zimmerman moment.
I'm Andrew Zimmerman.
So what is this? This is Jamaican corned beef, and all they've done is just put the corned beef from the can into the bread. And I'm gonna be tasting it for the first time. Andrew Zimmerman. Corned beef going in.
Yeah.
Onion going in. Doesn't really matter which one goes in first. Because they're both going in. So I'll put my onions in first. Give it a little bit of stir. Come closer, camera woman. See what's going on. Little pot.
People want to see a handsome face too.
Yeah, you know. You know, nothing beats a good and fine meal with other than it being done by a very handsome chef, such as myself, you know.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna put corned beef in it, just like that. Yeah.
All of it now, don't waste none.
I'm sure in this house at this moment, none will go to waste. Black pepper, as much as it adds spice to it, it's also, it decorates it to the traditional look.
Gosh, that's a lot.
Yeah. I can feel the black pepper tickling my nose. But, oh, and the after effect is coming now.
There you go.
That's a natural
pepper
as well.
Up the nose.
Yeah.
He likes his pepper, he likes his chili pepper too. Go with my nose now.
I like my food spicy, you know, but all these peppers here still got nothing in Scotch bonnet.
Yeah, you bought this sauce once in Zurich. This was like a store where he had sauces from around the world, like pepper sauce and everything. And you know what? He bought this sauce.
Still got the bottle.
Oh, yeah, oh yeah.
That sauce.
And it was the hottest thing.
This is no joke.
He's still alive.
Woo-wee.
Rice done.
Rice done, man, already. Yeah. Believe it or not, the food is ready.
Yum, yum.
So now I'm gonna dish it out in Family Sebastian, Ian and Tina style and show y'all how we do it. A little presentation trick that I have. So, just to make the food look restaurant worthy. Put my rice in a bowl. Yeah, man, rice looks good. Rice ready. Consider that me and wife for life is gonna be eating this. Alright, 2 of my rice grain just got into my cabbage.
No.
Yeah. So, this is what I do. Get your dinner plate, get a bowl or a cup or whatever shaped thing you want your rice to look like. Upside down. Flipperoo. Oops. You know, has to be perfect. Boom.
Voila.
Yeah. Now my rice has a nice little shape. And what I'm gonna do is I'll get something like this. That's not gonna have too much juice. Yeah.
Oh, looking good.
Looking excellent, man. Let me drain it a bit. Yeah. Because if it's too wet, as much as you want the juice, you know, this is just for presentation purpose.
Yes.
Sit it right there. Boom. Once the camera is off, you can always put as much juice in it as you want. And wait, you know.
Some parsley, you know, a little decoration.
Right. Get all the unnecessary look or rice grain there. You know, this is first class type thing I'm trying to do.
Trying to impress a girl.
Yeah.
A certain lady.
Let her know that, this brethren can cook. Alright. Get the necessary decoratives. Yeah.
I prefer fresh parsley myself, but that we don't have.
Boom. Just like that. A very cheap plate of corned beef and cabbage with rice could be sold for a nice $40.
$25.
Cheap restaurant food, right? Yes. Chef Sebas, job is done. And now I have to let the camera person get her dues. So.
Ready?
Yeah, man.
Same time.
Same time. Andrew Zimmern.
Got nothing on the Sebas family.
You need to come and visit us. We're not teasing. If you guys want some food,
come on over.
Come on over. Hit us up.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, this was long overdue.
Corned beef, thank you, Migros, for selling corned beef.
I'm not gonna do that to you guys anymore. I'm gonna put down the plate.
Yeah. Good job, hubby.
Hope you guys truly enjoy that.
I did.
You know, well, as you guys see, we haven't finished devouring it yet, you know. This is us being polite, signing off because we don't want you guys drooling.
No.
You know?
Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoy it. Look forward to our next vlog.
Yeah.
Thanking you guys for the support and consistency.
And to all the new subscribers, thank you so much.
Yeah, we're now up to 220. Yeah, man.
We're getting there slowly.
We're getting there slowly, but we're getting there. So thanks to everyone who is subscribed to the channel.
Exactly.
Until next time, like we always say,
ciao for now.
Ciao for now. Just like on YouTube, to give brain some new food. We are here in Antina.